We manufacture and install all home organizational fixtures, including closets, home entertainment systems, garage cabinetry, anything that really requires home organization in the way of cabinetry. I've been in the woodwork business for 45 years, and it was originally a hobby, something I had great passion for. When we got introduced to the closet business, we wanted to bring the caliber of the work up several notches over what is historically acceptable in the industry. We bring better construction methodologies to the market over and above what our competition does. One of the things that we had determined very early on is that we wanted a shop that was substantially automated. When we set up the plant, we wanted it to be substantially different than the plants that I had in the past that were very labor-centric, and decided that we wanted to have automated material handling capabilities in the shop. In its own right, has eliminated 5 or 6 different employment positions on the shop floor. It gives us complete inventory control. It knows when we have to bring material in. We run reports every day. So we're producing more goods at a lower cost per unit than any other franchise in the network. And that's the result of, quite frankly, the automation that we invested in 5 years ago. We invested in the best equipment in the marketplace from inception, and here we are 5 years later without any failures. Stiles has been really a joy to work with. They've been a great partner as we continue to grow our business.